Those keepers have buttoned the belt and inside the ring. Ready? The fight starts as soon as you touch gloves.
Hey guys, it's David, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Oculus. It's the Oculus Quest 2. I've got this for my birthday from my wife. I'm excited to open it actually because I've always kind of wanted virtual reality goggles, and these are one of the best. Obviously Oculus was bought by Facebook. You kind of see from Facebook on the side, and a lot of things have changed with kind of the original focus of the Oculus brand, but still it doesn't, take remove from the fact that it's a great product basically. So the Oculus Quest 2 is wireless, so I don't need to connect it to a computer, which is great, and I'm looking forward to seeing what it can do. I will try and show some kind of action of me actually using it in the video, but let's get started. Got my little quirky Swiss Army knife. So let's start by on the side. Yeah, we'll go on the side. Don't want to cut into the box really. Yeah, so that looks quite nice actually. So you've got kind of the Quest 2 on top. I think it just slides out of the box. Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that comes off. Put that over actually. So that comes off, and then ooh, it's got the logo here. See how we open it. This is quite nice actually. So yeah, so it's got a little lid. I'll show it from above so you can see what it looks like inside too. Wow. That looks pretty cool. I love it. Like, let's just do that again. That just looks epic. So it's like, that's incredible actually. So it's all kind of already set up for you. I don't really, I love kind of how they've mapped out how you basically put it on. So you can kind of see it on there, kind of 3 icons that just show you where to kind of, how to strap the handpiece on, how to turn on the goggles like over your head, and how to strap it in. So we've got a little box here. So let's see what's inside. So when you open it up, you've got kind of a book which just shows all the instructions and how to kind of adjust things. So which is quite cool, so you can adjust the lens and things like that. Okay, so that's quite nice. Case for that. And let's see what's inside of here. So you've got the cable, which is quite cool. So it's all USB-C, and you basically got, UK charging port. This comes up, let's go down. So that's quite nice. I like this. It's nice and neat. Okay, and then, ooh, the good stuff now. So you've got, 2 joysticks, so one on either hand. And this is really nice. So you've got kind of a little sticker here that shows kind of left. And there's a little kind of strip you have to pull basically, which kind of will turn on the actual device itself. I'm assuming that there's batteries inside. I wonder how it charges. Oh, interesting. So yeah, these are little straps that you put on your palms. I love this. The feel of it is quite nice. They've got another reaction button here. So you'd hold it somewhat like that, and as you're moving around, which is quite cool actually. I love it. It's quite quirky actually. I love it. That's quite nice. And then we've also got the goggles. So, so I think if you're wearing glasses, so there's like spaces for people that wear glasses, which is quite cool. I don't wear glasses, so I won't be needing this. But you know, definitely anybody else that wants to use my goggles will find that nice and neat. So inside you've got like this piece of paper here which says move lens left or right to find clearest view. So that's cool. So that's just a piece of card that I can rip off. I'll leave that on for now. But when you look inside, you've got the lenses, which is quite cool. And it says no direct sunlight on the lenses, no liquid cleaners on the lenses, so I shouldn't need to clean the lenses. I think I'll take it off when I'm testing it. There is a plastic or a piece of paper around it, so I'll take that off. And what you can see on the side is the USB Type-C port here. You've also got your headphones. So these don't have like speakers that you can put on your ears. I think you can buy attachments that will kind of enable that. But I think having, you know, a headphone jack is fine. I'll definitely check if, you know, it has Bluetooth, because maybe I can actually sync maybe my Bluetooth AirPods. So that would be quite cool. So instead of actually having full kind of headphones plugged in. But, and then you've got at the bottom here like volume and reduction buttons here for the volume. You've got little cameras in the front here, and I'm assuming that's to kind of give you an indication of where you are within the space itself. So that's so at least the goggles themselves know if you're moving around and your position within the rooms. And there's two more on the top here as well. Has Oculus on the front. It's got a button on the side here, which I think is the turning it on button. And the strap. So I'm gonna put it over my head so you can see how it looks. So I'll just take off this piece. I'm gonna remove the eye covers. Oh, that's nice. Wow, the lenses actually look really good. So you can see, that's pretty cool. That's really nice. So I'm gonna try it on. So there's some sticky tape here, but that's fine. I think that's everything. So I put it on. Can't see anything right now because it's not actually on. But when I actually do a test of it, I'm actually going to try and see if I can figure out how to record what I'm seeing so I can show it on the screen as well. So you then have these in your hands, and they just literally be moving around. So it's actually, you know, comfortable. It's not too bad actually. It fits snugly on my face. So I've got space for my nose, I can breathe. There is some light coming in from the bottom. Maybe it's because I haven't positioned it properly on my face. But I'm assuming, you know, once I try and get, I'll be able to kind of adjust it. But it's actually quite cool. It doesn't, you know, look too bad. I love it. And I feel like I can wear this for hours on end, basically, and not have any issues. So the strap just runs kind of on the center of your head, that top hair. Goggles fit quite nicely. And I can imagine just wearing headphones on the side here and connecting it into the jack, and you know, be able to hear everything that's going on. I'm going to look into if there's a way to kind of, you know, reduce the bleed from the light coming from the bottom where the nose is. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a gap on the bottom here. But yeah, it's actually really cool. I love it. So let me take all of this out. So there's nothing else in the box. So I've got my goggles. I've got the 2 joysticks. I've got also the USB-C charging cable, and actually the block itself. And then I've got the glasses spacer if you wear glasses. That's pretty cool. So the other gift that I got, which actually accompanies this, which I think is really cool, because as you can see, there's a lot of items that you have to kind of keep safe. I'm gonna lose them or damage them at least. Or even with the kind of lens on the goggle, you really don't wanna damage that. So what I got as well was a case. So it's actually an Oculus case. And so what I'll do is I'll put this to one side and kind of open this. So that's quite nice. So it's for the Oculus Quest 2 carrying case. It's got kind of a image showing how it should actually be put in the case. So let's take this off. And then when you open it up, let's see what's inside. How do you open this thing? Oh, I think there's a zip. Oh, okay, it's a zip. So it goes round. That's actually quite nice. And then you open it up. Oh, and it even has an image of how you should kind of position everything. So that's actually quite cool. Let me take this out. Oh, I hope I haven't broken it, but okay, so I've taken that out. It's got like a little booklet. How many booklets are they gonna give us? So yeah, I'm not reading any of this. So let's see. So inside, it seems like in here you can fit like the power brick, and so let's say, so all of this charging cable goes in here with and then close it. Oh, there's also these as well, so I'm assuming that can just go anywhere inside. But and then it just closes, and then you just use the zip, and then it's done. And this is quite nice to have actually, because what it allows me now to do. Yeah, so it protects it. So I've already dropped it once already, so it's definitely worth having. And what it allows me is to be able to put this in my bag and take it with me on the go. If I want to go to a friend's house and we want to play some Oculus or some virtual reality games, I can take it with me. And also keeping it in the house, I can actually just keep it somewhere nice and safe, basically. And it protects it from dust and things building up as well, which is quite cool. So yeah, I'm grateful for this gift. So leave a comment down below if you've ever tried virtual reality, or if you've got a virtual VR system at home, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.